Hey guys, this is DC. I was gonna show you guys how to assemble one of these mainstays, but hey, just trial and error too. I thought I knew everything, but apparently, okay, this is a fresh start. I was trying to create this here, but what I did here's mine. Everything's right, but I put these screws in too early, so I need to take these back out and connect the bottom half, which is, according to the instruction, is E and D, and this is D and that's E. So we're gonna do it just like that. As you guys can see, per instructions, I am creating this, and this is pretty much what we got. I gotta tighten up the screws, but looks like I'm missing the wheels. So these wheels here, they're gonna go at the bottom. Here's me screwing the wheels in. I'm gonna assume these wheels are adjustables. And if you guys haven't been able to tell already, this is the bottom. We're building from the bottom and we're going up. So, yeah. Now that the wheels are on, we're gonna assume things are just gonna get simpler and self-explanatory. Okay. So looking at your stash, you're like, hey, this is all we got left now. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take one of these from B, just demonstrate it, and we're gonna put this one on. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's correct. We're gonna put this one on here, and we're gonna line the hole up right along there. And we're gonna do this on each side. So I took one out of what's B. I'm gonna take one from A and put it on the opposite side and do that same thing. I don't think it really matters because they all look the same, A and B, from the instructions. I wouldn't get too caught up on that. So we're gonna do the same thing on each side. And line that up, put it down. And the last one, gonna line that up. Y'all gotta excuse my house, it's a mess. As y'all can tell, I'm doing this because I just moved. So yeah. Alright, so we lined all those up. Y'all, again, I apologize. I don't have nobody to hold the camera. Like I said, I probably need to get more friends, but whatever. We're gonna do the same thing here. Up here with this, we're gonna put the neck shelf up here where this hole is. So pretty much, we're gonna put another one of these. Sorry about that. We're gonna put another one of these in the middle, and we're gonna take those. Of course, some screws come in the pack. They tell you the screws are L. It's 32 of these, so you have plenty. So we're gonna put a screw on each 4 sides, and I'll get back with you. Oh, one more thing I failed to mention. While you're putting this together, you want to make sure you just hand tighten them, because you don't want everything too tight. We can go back and tighten up the screws later. So we're just gonna put the screws in and just get our frame built. And once you finish everything, it should look like this. Now, the diagram is not going to really show you, or you can't really see, but there's a slight slant from here to here. You wouldn't be you would think you did something wrong. But if you look at the box, it's supposed to be like that, slant, because that bar is going to go across. I don't get too caught up on the direction. Sometimes they confuse you. So yeah, let's go on. We're gonna continue to the next step. So guess what? We're gonna build some more, another platform. Hope you guys still following along. As you can see, I just got a hand tighten the screw in there, hand tighten on this side, just kind of hold it up. Now I'm about to put the other 2 in here. on those sides. Okay, yeah. It may be time to start using a screwdriver or drill. Start tightening them up a little bit. Okay, let's go back to our pal. So this is the only bar we have left, G. We're gonna use this on this last hole up here. Now it's starting to look like a space saver. If y'all notice something, still something looks off about this. That's because I forgot to put these bars in this hole down here. But yeah, I notice I got one final bar there. We're gonna save that towards the end. But in the meantime, I did overlook a simple mistake I should have gotten the first part. But it's no biggie. I can add these as I go. So y'all see I'm missing this hole. I need to put one right there. One right here. One right here. And the same thing down here. So I get back after I finish installing these. I'm sorry about that. When you're doing these the first time, you know, you're going to make mistakes. And that's something I overlook. So, I have done one of these before, and, you know, I know you can easily add these things to it. So, it's no biggie. Now, as you guys can see, everything is together now. So, now what we're going to do now is just make sure all the screws are tight. So, I'm going to go through each one of these. Make sure it's tight. I shouldn't be using a drill. I should have used a screwdriver. I'll try to take it easy. So yeah, we're gonna go around. All right, so I've tightened these up as much as I can. I know you like, they still look a little shaky. That's because this last bottom piece, we're gonna save this for last, but we do have these. And according to this, we lay them on our shelves. I don't think it matter which way it goes, so we're just gonna lay them each on here. Okay. Put that up there. And put this one on the next one. And we're gonna put that one on the third. So now, last but not least, what we're gonna do now, guess what? You're gonna take it to the toilet. Oh, great, man. I have such a small spot right here. I didn't think it would work, but fortunately I was able to get it. So now with this part, what I should have did was put the bar right here and started it. And then, ooh, boy, it's gonna be tight. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna have plenty of space to connect your bar. Me, I'm just gonna have to improvise. We're gonna make it happen. Also, I wanted to point out, they do give you 2 extra screws for this hole right here to really mount it up against the wall. But in my situation, I have a mirror right there, so I can't flush mine up against the wall. And they also give you anchors so you can secure it against the wall as well. But I'm not gonna need it in my case. And another thing too, guys, make sure when you start your bottom piece, make sure your back two are both facing on the same side, because that's where the bar got to go. So y'all know in my case, I'm gonna have to switch them around.